Ever savored the rich, crumbly delight of cornbread or the crispy, golden goodness of southern fried catfish? If not, brace yourselves for a culinary journey through the heart of southern cuisine, as we unveil step-by-step recipes for these classic dishes. We begin with cornbread, a staple that complements any southern meal. Gather yellow cornmeal, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. You'll also need buttermilk, unsalted butter, and a couple of large eggs. Optional ingredients include canned corn kernels or diced jalapenos for an added kick. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing an 8-inch baking dish or a cast iron skillet. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl, and in a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, melted butter, and eggs. Merge the wet and dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. If you choose to, fold in the corn kernels or jalapenos, then pour the batter into the baking dish or skillet. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Let the cornbread cool slightly, then it's ready to slice and serve. Now, let's turn our attention to the southern fried catfish. For this, you will need catfish fillets, cornmeal, all-purpose flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, and vegetable oil for frying. Begin by rinsing the catfish fillets and patting them dry. In a shallow dish, mix your dry ingredients. Dredge each fillet in this mixture, ensuring an even coat. Heat vegetable oil in a skillet until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then delicately place the coated fillets in the hot oil. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Drain the fillets on paper towels to remove excess oil and serve hot with your choice of sides. These recipes encapsulate the essence of southern cuisine. The hearty cornbread, with its optional jalapeno kick, paired with the crispy, flavorful southern fried catfish, promises a meal that's satisfying and full of character. So, don your apron and embark on this culinary adventure. Enjoy the process and, more importantly, enjoy the feast.